What's up, Kilo Gang? Welcome back to my channel and welcome to my channel. If you are new here, I go by Pushing Kilos, and on this channel we are the Kilo Gang. So let's just talk about today's session. So I don't know if you guys can tell, but I gave blood today, so I'm actually a little weak. Probably should not be working out, go on the pole, but I decided to come anyway. So I really didn't do like a set thing. We were just really working with my body and seeing what my body could handle, because that left arm was really weak. And in some of the things, the moves that I learned, she was in the way. We didn't know, of course, because we're recording from an angle and I'm not like checking the camera, which I'll make sure I get better with that. So some of the stuff that she was blocking, I ended up doing it more than one time, so it works out. So just be patient. And yeah, so like I said, we're just really trying out, seeing what my body can do. So we're doing spins, we're doing moves, we're doing routines, like we did it all in this session. So you guys, that's why I tried to make sure I kind of kept it shorter than usual. And yeah, so just sit back, watch, and get ready for the following week's video, because I'm thinking I'm going to drop it early. So yeah, bye y'all. Keep watching the entire video. Okay, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. If you're new here, please like the video. And yeah, y'all, so I'll see y'all next video. Bye.
You've never been to heaven.
Real high girl shit. Me and Drew finna get the party lit.
You've never been to heaven, have you? Ooh, this is the ride of your life. Hold on, 'cause baby, I might just give you a bite of the sweetest pie. Ooh, baby, we can go fast. I'll drive and you just lay back. I got the flavor, the last, yeah, the sweetest pie.
Baby, I'm the sweetest. Pussy is the meanest. Hot girl shit, but I'm cold every season. Boy got that pipe, let him bust it till it's sleep. Yeah, booty like a pillow, he could use it while he's sleeping. Look, I'll be going through my phone, 'cause that's the old me. Ain't the only one tryna be my one and only. Real thick, moving slow, that body like he a player, but for making it, cutting the whole team. That body looking nice. I got cake and I know he wanna slice. I wish a nigga would try to put me on ice. I ain't never had to chase dick in my life. I like that nasty, that freaky stuff. Live under my bed and keep me up. That Hansel and Gretel, let him eat me up.
Shawty, don't stop me. Don't spoon me. Shawty, don't stop me. Don't spoon me. Shawty, don't stop me. Don't spoon me. Shawty, stop me. Don't spoon me.
You got me hung up from across the room. I'm so high that I'm on another altitude. And on my cloud, I got some space for you.
You say nothing's wrong at all, baby. I say that we falling off lately. Maybe we just ain't been on the same page. In my mind, I'm done fighting. In your heart, you keep trying. The truth is not hiding. That's just the way we are. But can't say you love me when it's like that. Can't say I love you when it's like that. If it was new, it won't be like that. To everybody else, it will just show me back. But I love when we make up like that. And you love it when I make you mad. But maybe we just love like that. Yeah, maybe we just love like that. Times I don't want you around. You do something to make me smile. And it's hard for me to try to doubt this feeling. Yeah, we could just walk away. Yeah, we could just stay away. The things I love about you, I can't change. No, 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 no. In my mind, I'm done fighting.
We can't even sit in peace, 'cause all of these niggas be on you. call and you talk to, girl. I'll share my world with you. If you wanna waste your time, yeah, waste your time with me. I mean, honestly, open your eyes and see. If you gonna who's giving you what you need, waste your time with me. You could have all the space, all that you need. There's no pressure, girl. If you got time to waste it with me. And I ain't worried about them. Girl, you all that I see. And I am who I am. And I'll be where I be. If you ever hit me on a late night, I'll give you a clear mind. Might give you some insight. I'll share my world with you. If you're gonna waste your time, waste your time with me. I mean, honestly, open your eyes and see. If you're gonna waste your time, waste your time with me. You can have all the space, all that you need. There's no pressure. If you got time to waste it with me. Don't close your eyes to get away. Hang my line and out of range. Yeah. Beautiful, girl, you're stainless. You'll be fine, I'll be painless. Yeah. All I'm drinking is champagne. All you want is the same thing.
Yeah. The 10,000 building, get your ass an apartment, put you inside a G-class, that's just a start. It can plenty things count in life, but none of them is a thought of it. New piece around my neck is chess games, cause shorty stay with calculated moves like Beth Harmon. Swear I'm more Purple Rain Prince than Prince Charming. Disappointment I stay expecting it, the pessimist gold medalists flush the magnums just so they not collecting my specimens, damn. The way she with Poppy, man, you would think she's a veteran on remembrance. Cleaning lady, sweep the room daily for all the evidence of everything I ever did. Do they have a pool there? Do they have a gym there? You used to do skincare, but now you do swimwear. Your ex-roommate got a condo that's downtown, but she got no furniture in her crib. I've been there. Checkmate, even though you hate that I even check, I still get an E for effort. Only time I play the back and forth is a Leah record. If I let you talk first and nobody is speaking second. Fluent in passive aggression, that's why you acting dismissive. Hearing me out for once will require you actually listen. Damn. The boy is back, I never turn my back. I just slapped him, so now all that they see is my back. Say that damn Maybach bands with me in the back. When I was at
Still with the ring pointing, got to keep me, I am still. Don't you waste me, I'll hit you with my beach side. Still, ain't go round, you'll grab it back. I can take it, my main nigga, but still just how that feel.
Put that in my mind, seem to take a step out. Get some in now, shut your head out. Choose some ice, smoke, you'll be heavy in my mind. Can you get the heck out? I need rest now, got me bummed out. You so you, baby.
them soft lips. Yeah, you know word of mouth. The square root of 69 is 8 something, right? Cause I've been trying to work it out. Good white wine. I come alive in the nighttime. Yeah, okay, away we go. Only thing we have on is the radio. Oh, let it play. Say you gotta leave, but I know you wanna stay. You just waiting on the traffic jam to finish, girl. The things that we could do in 20 minutes, girl. Say my name, say my name. Wear it out. It's getting hot, crack a window, air it out. I can get you through a mighty long day. Soon as you go, the text that I write is gonna say.
What's my name? What's my name? What's my name? What's my name? Not everybody knows how to work my body, knows how to make me want it. But boy, you stay up on it. You got the something that keeps me so off balance. Baby, you're a challenge. Let's explore your talent. Hey boy, I really wanna see if you can go downtown with a girl like me. Hey boy, I really wanna be with you, 'cause you're just my type. Oh na 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 na, I need a boy to take it over. Looking for a guy to put in work. What's my name? 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 You got me, and ain't nowhere that I'd be than with your arms around me. Back and forth, you rock me, yeah. So I surrender to every word you whisper, every door you enter. I will let you in. Hey boy, I really wanna see if you can go downtown with a girl like me. Hey boy, I really wanna be with you, 'cause you're just my type. Oh na 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 na, I need a boy to take it over. Looking for a guy to put in work. You're so amazing. You took the time to figure me out. That's why you take me way past the point of turning me on. You about to break me. I swear you got me losing my mind. Hey boy, I really wanna see if you can go downtown with a girl like me. Hey boy, I really wanna be with you, 'cause you're just my type. Oh na 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 na, I need a boy to take it over. Looking for a guy to put in work. Oh na na, what's my name? Oh na na, what's my name? Oh na na, what's my name? What's my name? What's my name? We hug and yes, we make love and always just say goodnight. We cuddle, sure do love it, but I need your lips all night. Can you kiss me hard? We're so young, boy, we ain't got nothing to lose. Oh, it's just principle. Baby, hold me, 'cause I like the way you move. Your eyes, your name, I can hear you say, I love the taste. La 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 la. I lost my tongue, I want it. Your eyes, your name, I can hear you say, I love the taste. La 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 la. I lost my tongue, I want it. Give me a buck, need the Gucci stuff. Push your limit, now you ain't good enough. All your niggas say that you lost without me. All my bitches feel like I dodged the county. Fucking with you feel like jail, nigga. I can't even exhale, nigga. Pussy like holy grail, you know that. You gon' make